Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is moving in this zone. Okay, after making a low of around $1.5981, that we have seen it is continuously upside and made a half around $1.9385. Okay, after that it is trying to go down from 2 days. Okay, if the price keeps sustaining above a level of $1.9150, then we can see a further upside movement. But if it started moving below a level of 1.8326, then a further fall we can see, because there is a clear pattern forming towards a downtrend. Okay, if the price fall below a level of 1.8236. Okay, you have to understand how the price of natural gas has moved so far. See, it has moved in a range of $3 and $2 for quite some time. So if the price started moving above a level of $2, it will again come in this zone. After making out of this zone, we have seen a 3.5 and 3.6 level, and after that there is a fall. If you look at the dollar index also, you will understand the dollar index also being quite volatile and creating two patterns. Okay, if the price sustain above level of 104.6, we can see there will be a rise in the dollar index, which will in turn reduce the price of natural gas. But if the price of dollar index move below a level of 103.6, then we can see there will be a fall in the dollar index, and then there will be rise in the natural gas prices. Okay, these two patterns are supporting that zone. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, look at this particular chart. Okay, chances can be high if the price sustain this level, it can go towards its next level of 1.8779, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards $1.9291. Okay, and if the price keeps sustaining above that level, we will see a level of $1.943, which is the half this zone. So a further upside movement we can see, and from there a probability of touching $1.9962. Keep that in mind, that as soon as the price starts sustaining above that particular level, we will see it will touch a level of around $2.0416. Okay, and if that sustain above that level, we will see it will cross that level, and from there a probability of going towards $2.1168. Okay, and once the price started sustaining $2.118, $1168, a further high towards 2.3802 we can see. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards a level of $2.5318. Okay, keep that in mind. There is a higher chance that if the price started sustaining of that level, we will see a level of 2.789, and from there a probability of going towards 2.9. Once the price started sustaining over 2.9, we will see it will cross a level of $3, and from there a probability of touching $3.378 will be there, and from there a probability of going towards 3.5. Okay, and if the price move up that level, a further upside movement we can see. But as I've already explained you, market is always uncertain, so always try to set your SL. If you're setting your SL, you will save your capital. Okay, saving your capital will make you more trade. You can take more trades, and there's a chance of making good profit. Okay, once you're in profit, always try to trail your profit. If you're trailing your profit, then you will sustain for a longer period of time. Okay, and then you can build your wealth also, or capital also. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of around $1.8416, and if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of around 1.8059. Okay, this is the level, and once the price started falling below this level, we will see it will touch a level of 1.7420, which is already being a weak support. So chances are high it will go towards 1.6845. 1.6845 is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will cross that level, and a probability of going towards a level of 1.6418 is there. Okay, and that is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will cross that level, and from there it will move below a level of 1.6. Okay, and as soon as the price started falling below 1.6, we will see there will be a further fall, and chances of going towards a level of 1.5 we can see. You can see looking at this particular chart, and a probability of going towards after 1.58, we can see a level of $1.5126, and then it can move below a level of 1.5. So chance of touching 1.3 will be there, and then to a level of 1.2, and chance of going further low we can see, because this is an all-time low, so chances of going further down we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, because this is after being 10-20 years we have not seen this level. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me.